If there's nothing there, don't trade. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today we're going to be talking about if there's nothing there setting up on your charts or end of day trading or intraday, for me hourly system. One of the things I love about the hourly system is that if there's nothing setting up that looks like my A-type setups for the London Open session, I just take off and come down to the beach. There's some announcements. It's a payrolls week. But I know there's probably going to be some setups going into the US because usually it's one or the other, and sometimes you get both. But the ranges that are set up right now just aren't really to my liking, and it looks like it could be a choppy market for traders. So if it's not there, come back and trade later. That's a really hard thing to do because sometimes you're sitting at the screen, you feel like you need to trade or go down to a shorter time frame. And often the best thing to do is to stick to your original trading plan. Don't change the rules for any of it. Come back later or come back the next day because there's going to be plenty of very clean trade setups that will present. So if you haven't done so, go to my homepage and get the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. It's all about building the confidence, discipline, and a winning mindset to master the markets. And one of the hard parts about mastering the markets is being willing to step away and be patient and come back when those setups are appropriate for your strategy. Oftentimes we'll try to curve fit those markets to our strategy when there's going to be thousands of trades. You hear me say that all the time, there's going to be thousands of trades. If it's not the right setup, where you have the odds at least leaning heavily in your favor in terms of an asymmetrical reward to risk relationship, come back later. There's no greater feeling than being out of the market wishing or watching than being in the market wishing you were out or caught into a sideways market where you haven't been stopped out but it's not moving in your direction either. And you know where those markets tend to end up. Al Brooks calls it barbed wire. So if it's not the right setup, where you again have that asymmetrical reward to risk setup for your A-type setups, just walk away and come back later. It's like if you do something, the first day is always the hardest. After 21 days or 30 days, it gets easier and it becomes part of your unconscious competence. And that's what you're trying to do with the daily routine. You're trying to build things into your neurology that just become second nature, so that you're quieting the voices in your head in terms of greed, hope, and fear, your anxieties about trading. You've got to really hone in on the business side of trading and the risk management side of trading. I harp on this daily routine because what you ritualize and habituate and will be, discipline is to become a disciple of something better than or higher than yourself. So it's really simple. If you structure things in a really simple process in terms of duplicating them so that they're reproducible and that there's no possibility of you having any excuse not to complete that task, and then remove out any of the negative mindset barriers that are going to prevent you from carrying out that task. So it's like going to the gym. If I work out at home, there's no excuse. I have the Seal Fit workout no matter where I go. It was designed for remote location fitness for the SEALs. So there's anywhere you go, you can perform that workout. And then working on your mindset prevents you from lapsing into coming up with excuses as to why you don't need to train on any particular day. Same thing goes for trading. Make training just as essential. Your daily trade practices in terms of your mindset and your technical skills, make those essential part of your day into small bits of time frame so that each day you're working at it and you're habituating it, and that discipline will become second nature. So if it's not a perfect setup for you, walk away and come back later, traders. Discipline will become just part of who you are. You won't even have to think about it. Have a great trading week, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, The 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.